Kintsugi tutorial video Step 0 to 1 Preparation to Pre-treatment. First, preparation. Please wash the plate or item to rinse off any oil or salt which prevents urushi from hardening, and dry the item well. Step 1. Pre-treatment. Cover the surrounding area with masking tape in order not to get stained. Please wear rubber gloves while working on urushi, and prepare the palette and raw urushi. Please keep the raw urushi bottle applied for about 5 minutes before opening the cap. Using the palette, adjust the amount of raw urushi on the urushi brush. Apply raw urushi thinly on the cracks. Wipe off excess raw urushi from the cracks with tissue. The same process for the broken pieces. Using the palette, adjust the amount of raw urushi on the urushi brush. Apply raw urushi thinly on the cracks. Wipe off excess raw urushi from the cracks with tissue. The same process for all the broken pieces. Then close the cap. Cleaning. Wipe off the raw urushi on the palette with tissue. Apply oil on the palette and wipe it off with tissue. Wipe the palette well until it's no more sticky. If it's still sticky, you can also wash it with soap or dish soap. Then move the all items to leave the plate or item in the urushi box for a day. But if you cannot wait, instead of urushi box, there is an expedited process. Peel off the masking tape beforehand and leave them in preheat oven to 120 degrees Celsius or 248 Fahrenheit for 2 hours. Please try our Kintsugi kit, it's now on sale. We are not perfect in cooperating.